राम 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 सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः। Welcome to class 3 of Saundarya Lahari Parayanaabhyasah, that is, learn to chant Saundarya Lahari of Adi Shankaracharya. In the last class, in the last two classes, we had learned the rules of pronunciation, the Sanskrit alphabet or the Varnamala, and also Guru Vandanam, and the first 5 verses of Saundarya Lahari. Let us start with Guru Vandanam. नैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत् पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्. I will chant the first 5 verses and then we'll move on to the chanting by the attendees. Eva shaktya yuktah yadi bhavati shaktah prabhavitum na chedevan devah na khalu kushalas panditumapi atastvam aradhyam harihara virinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punyah prabhavati taniyam sampam sum tava charana pankeruha bhavam virinchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam haras sanshubhyainam bhajati bhasitodhulana vidhim avidyanamantastimiramihiraddvipanagari jadanan chaitanyastabakamakkarandasrutijhari daridranan chintamani gunanika janma jaladhau nimagnanandamshtra muraripuvarahasya bhavati त्वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्यभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ हरिस्त्वामाराध्य प्रणतजनसौभाग्यजननीं पुरा नारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत स्मरोऽपि त्वान्नत्वा रतिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनामप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्. So I can see that the attendees have already raised their hands. I will lower the hands now and I request you all to please raise your hands again and we'll start with the Mangala Shloka. Brinda Bhagini, I'm unmuting you. So please chant the first shloka.
गुरुरेव गतिर् गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सगास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति अस्मि गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. Namaste.
Namaste. Uttamam. Can you please repeat the last line?
Matirasti guro mam pahi guro.
Here it is Matirasti Gurau Mama Pahi Guru.
Bhagini. Matirasti gurau mam pahi guro.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
Dhanyavadah.
Swati Krishna.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Can you please chant this shloka?
Sure. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Shruti smriti purananam alayam karunalayam namami bhagavat pada shankaram loka shankaram.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadah.
Pragnya Ambatipudi. Pragnya Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Please chant the first shloka.
Iva shaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shaktah prabhavitum na chedevan devaha na khalu kushalaspanditum atastvaamaradhyam harihara virinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punyah prabhavati.
Well chanted. Let's move on to the second shloka. I request Anushka Raghavendra.
तनीयां सम्पांसुं तव चरणपङ्केरुह भवं विरिञ्चिः सञ्चिन्वन् विरचयति लोकानविकलं वहत्येनं शौरिः कथमपि सहस्रेण शिरसां हरः संक्षुभ्यैनं भजति भसितो धूलनविधिम्.
Uttamam. Let's move on to the third shloka. Hema Bhagini.
अविद्यानामन्तस्थिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी जडानां चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दश्रुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति.
Beautiful. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. I think a slight variant from our tune. Nevertheless, beautifully chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Once you finish chanting, I request you all to lower your hands. It will just make it easier for me to call out the names. Venkateshwaran Mahodaya.
Namaskaram, madam.
Namaste, sir. Can you chant this fourth shloka?
Tvadhanyah panibhyam abhayavarado devataganaha tvameka naivasi prakatita varabhitya binaya bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vancha samadhikham शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ.
Very well chanted, Mahodaya. Can you please repeat the first line?
Sadhanyah पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः.
Okay, the first time I heard it as Devataganaha. It is Daivataganaha. Plus another point to note is about the Mahapranas. So please give more focus to that. Very well.
I'll tell once more. Svadhanya Panibhyam Abhayavarado Daivata Ganaha.
You want to try the full shloka, Mahodaya, with the Mahapranas again?
Yes. Svadhanya Panibhyam Abhayavarado Daivata Ganaha Tvameka Naivasi Prakhatita Varabhitya Binaya Bhayatratum Datum Phalamapicha Vancha Samadhikam Charanye Lokanam Tavahi Charana Veva Nipunau.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Dhanyavadaha.
Yes. Aditya Krishnan, Aditya Mahodaya.
I have learned from 1 to 3. Okay, I'll take the third sloka.
Okay.
Avidyanamantastimirammihiradvipanagari Jadanam chaitanyastabakamakkarandasrutijhari Daridranam chindamani gunanika janma jaladhau Nimannam damstra muraripuvarahasya bhavati.
Good. Can you please repeat the fourth line? Nimagnanam
damstra muraripuvarahasya bhavati.
Beautiful. Nice attention has been given to the Mahapranas. Very good. But please also focus on the Dvitvas in some places. For example, it is Avidyanamantastimiramithiradvipanagari. So can you just chant the first pankti?
Yes. Avidyanamantastimiramithiradvipanagari.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Actually, in the account Aditya Krishnan, we all are 3 people.
Okay, is there someone with you who wants to chant?
Yes.
Go ahead.
Can I say the first one?
Yes.
Shivashaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shakta prabhavitam nachedevam devaha na khalu kushalaspanditum atastva maradhyam harihara virinjadhibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punya prabhavati.
Uttamam. Again, very well chanted. The first line, Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha and Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha. Hope you could make out the distinction here. So, Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha Yadi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitum. So, can you repeat this with the Dvitva, please? Just the first line.
Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha Yadi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitum.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha.
Now me.
Yes, yes.
Miss, I am chanting the second line.
Second shloka, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, yes.
Taniyam sampamsum tavacharana pangeruha bhavam virinchis samchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam harasakshubhyainam bhajati bhasito dhulana vidhim.
Very good. Can you please repeat the fourth line?
हरसंक्षुभ्यैनं भजति भसितो धूलनविधिम्.
Okay. The Mahapranas were well chanted, but wherever there are dvitvas like Harasankshubhyainam, can you repeat after me?
हरसंक्षुभ्यैनं
Bhajati bhasito dhulanavidhim.
भजति भसितो धूलनविधिम्.
Okay, Uttamam. All the three of you, great job. Keep practicing.
Thank you.
Shankara Narayanan Mahodaya.
Ram Bhagini.
Ha, Ram. I think we missed the fifth verse. So can you please chant this?
Haristvamadhya pranata saubhagya jananim puranari bhutva purari pumapi shobha manayat maropitvam natva ratinayana lekhyena vapusha muninamabhyantaha prabhavati hi mohaya mahatam.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Can you please repeat the second line?
Puranari bhutva puraripu mapi shobha manayate.
Uttamam. Yes. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Shivashankar Mahodaya.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. We'll start it all over again. Can you chant this? Mangalam, the first shloka.
Okay, madam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave na guroh paramam shishurasmi guroho matirasti gurau mama pahi guro.
Uttamam. Do you also want to try one verse of Saundarya Lahari?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Shaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shakta prabhavitum.
Shiva shaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shakta prabhavitum nate devan devaha nakhalu kushalah spanditumapi atastyamaraadyam harihara virinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va katamakrita punya prabhavati.
Uttamam Mahodaya. Well chanted. I would request you to pay more attention towards the dvitvas. Shiva shaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shaktah prabhavitum. Similarly, kushalas panditum api.
There are two people, madam. My wife also would like to say.
The main teacher.
Yes. Please go ahead, Bhagini. The second shloka.
Taniyam sampamsum tava charana pankeruha bhavam virinchis sanchivan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi katamapi sahasrena shirasa harasankshubhyenam bhajati basito dhulana vidhim.
Uttamam. I think there was a slight variation in the tune. It's all right. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Well chanted. Savitri Bhagini. Savitri Bhagini. I have
Ram.
Ha, Ram. Please chant the third verse.
Which one, Bhagini?
Avidyanamantastimiramhiradvipanagari.
Okay. Avidyanamantastimiramhiradvipanagari jadanam chaitanyastapakamakkarandasruti chari darit दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Just one thing, as much as possible, please try to chant those words together. Chaitanyastabakamakaranda srutijhari. Do you want to try again, Bhagini? Okay,
I will try.
Yes, yes.
Avidyanamantastimiramihira Dvipanagari Jadanam Chaitanyastabakamakaranda srutijhari Daridranam Chintamani Gunanika Janna Jaladhau Nimagnanam Damshtra Muraripuvarahasya Bhavati.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Chitra Bhagini. Chitra Tyagarajan Bhagini. To hear you, please chant the fourth verse. Tadanyaf Panibhyam.
Tadanyaf
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. The voice is very feeble. So I request you to kindly try to fix something if we could just hear it louder, but very well chanted. Dhanyavadaha. Renuka Bhagini.
Ram.
Fifth verse.
Haristvamadhya pranata jana saubhagya jananim puranari bhutva puraripumapi kshobhamanayat smaropitva natva ratinayana lehyena vapusha मुनीनामप्यन्तः प्रभवति मोहाय महताम्.
Uttamam. Very well chanted. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha.
Kamakshi Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Now please chant the first verse.
Okay. Shivashaktya yuktaha यदि भवति
प्रभवितुम्.
Sorry. Hello. Am I audible?
No. Please. Yeah, please continue. I think it was someone else.
Shivashaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shaktah prabhavitum na chedevam devaha na khalu kushalaspanditum atastvamadhyam Arihara vidinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punyah prabhavati.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Padma Bhagini. Padma Narayanan.
Shivashaktya yuktaha.
Padma Bhagini. Do you want?
Yes. Second one.
Yes.
Taniyam sampamsum tavacharana pankeruha bhavam virinchit sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi kathamapi sahasrena shirasam Haratsam shubhyenam भजति बसितोद्धूलनविधिम्।
वंडर्फुल, उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः भगिनी।
थैंक यू।
धन्यवादाः। रवि महोदय।
राम राम भगिनी, रवि मुलुकुट्ला।
हाँ, यस महोदय, कैन यू प्लीज स्टैंड द थर्ड वर्स?
अविद्यानामन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी जडानां चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दश्रुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रां मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः महोदय। वीणा भगिनी, वीणा।
राम राम राम
राम राम राम। Please chant the fourth verse.
त्वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्यभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी। I request Prem Shankar Mahodaya.
It's my.
Can you please chant this fifth verse? Haristvamaradhya.
It's my. Haristvamaradhya प्रणत जन सौभाग्य जननी पुरा नारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वां न त्वां रतिनयनलेखेन वपुषां मुनीनामप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्।
Good. Can you please repeat the second line?
पुरा नारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत्.
Okay. Please also pay attention to the Mahapranas, Bhagini. Otherwise, good try. Dhanyavadah. Shri Kriti Bhagini.
Can I chant the fourth verse?
Yes.
धन्यवादः। त्वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेका नैवासि प्रकटितपराभीष्टभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ।
Uttamam. Can you please repeat the second line? Prakatitavara.
Prakatitavaraabhitya.
Yes, it's right now. So just keep that in mind. Otherwise, very well chanted. Uttamam. Dhanyavadah. Jai Shri Shankar Bhagini, Jai Shri Bhagini.
The Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.
Namaskar.
You want me to start from the first, or can I do the third? Or
yes, please do the first one.
Okay. Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadhi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitum Nache Devam Devo Nakhalu Kushalaspanditumapi Atastvamadhyam Harihara Virinchadi Bhirapi अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिहर विरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृत पुण्यः प्रभवति.
उत्तमम्. धन्यवादाः भगिनी. So now we chanted it together, the whole pankti. So if somebody has a doubt, it's yuktaha, and we told it as yukto and devo. So when we chant it together, there's a sandhi karya happening. So we can chant it as Shiva Shaktya yukto yadi bhavati. Similarly, nache devan devo nakhalu kushala spanditum api. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha bhagini.
Thank you.
I request again to those who have already chanted, please lower your hands. Sundarajan Mahodaya, Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram, madam.
Please chant the second verse.
Sure. Taniyam sampamsam tava charana pankheruha bhavam virinchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikhalam vahatyenam shaurihi katamapi sahasrena shirasam harasam subhyenam bhajati basito dhulana vidhim.
Beautiful. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. I request Keri SS Iyer Mahodaya to please chant the third one, Avidyanam.
Namaste.
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 And namaste. Shruyate Mahodaya. I'm able to hear you.
Thank you. Avidyanam andat timira mihira diva nagari jadanam chaitanya tabaga makaranta srubi hari Srudichari, Daritranam Chindamani Gunanika Janma Jaladhau, Nimagranam Damstra Mudariburahasya Bhavadi.
Ha. Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. So I was just thinking if you could chant a bit slower, the varnas or the aksharas would be more clearer for us to listen, but very well chanted.
Shall I repeat?
Yes, please do.
Okay. Avidyanam timira hira diva nagari jadanam chaitanya tabara magaranta srudihachari daridranam chindamani gunanika janma jaladhau nimagranam damsra muraribu varahasya bhavadi.
Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya. Pranati Bhatt.
Ram Ram Bhagini. Namaste.
Ram Ram Namaste. The fourth verse.
Twadanyah panibhyamabhayavarado daivataganaha tvamekanayvasi prakatitavarabhityabhinaya bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vancha samadhikam sharanye lokanam tavahi charana deva nipunau.
Good, very good. Can you repeat the third line?
Bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vancha samadhikam.
If you pay attention here, it is bhayatratum. Bhayatratum datum. Similarly, the fourth line, tavahi charana veva nipunau. So can you repeat these two lines?
Bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vancha samadhikam.
Just a minute.
Sharan.
Bhayatratum datum.
Bhayatratum datum.
Can you just tell bhayat?
Bhayatratum datum.
Go ahead.
फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ।
उत्तम, very good. Keep practicing.
धन्यवाद.
Saurabh Mahodaya. Saurabh Bevuri Mahodaya, do you want to chant the 5th verse?
Yes, Ram Mahodaya. हरिस्त्वामाराध्य प्रणत जन सौभाग्य जननीं पुरा नारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभमनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वां नत्वा रतिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनामप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः महोदय। विजयलक्ष्मी भगिनी।
नमस्ते भगिनी।
नमस्ते, नमस्काराः। फर्स्ट वर्स प्लीज।
हाँ भगिनी। शिवशक्त्या युक्तः यदि भवति शक्तः प्रभवितुं न चेदेवं देवो न खलु कुशलस्पन्दुतिमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्यां हरिकरविरिञ्चाधिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति।
उत्तमं, good try भगिनी. Can you repeat the second line? न चेदेवं
देवो न खलु कुशलस्पन्दितुमपि.
Okay, one thing, if we are taking a pause after devaha, so we chant the visarga, or else if it is devo, it is to be chanted continuously. Devo na khalu kushalaspanditum-api. Another place where we have to chant the dvitva, kushalaspanditum-api. Do you want to repeat? Do you want to repeat after me once?
आम भगिनी।
न चेदेवं देवः
न चेदेवं देवः
न खलु कुशलस्पन्दितुमपि
न खलु कुशलस्पन्दितुमपि अतस्त्वामाराध्यां
हरिहरविरिञ्चादिभिरपि प्रणन्तुं स्तोतुं वा कथमकृतपुण्यः प्रभवति। धन्यवादाः भगिनी।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी।
Yes. Vijayalakshmi Parthasarathi Bhagini.
Yeah, namaste ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, you're audible.
Second
yes. Taniyam sampams.
Yeah. Taniyam sampamsum tava charana pankeruha bhavam virinchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi कथमपि सहस्रेण शिरसां हरसंक्षुभ्यैनं भजति भसितोद्धूलनविधिम्।
उत्तमं, धन्यवादाः भगिनी।
धन्यवाद।
So there was a question. Why are some letters highlighted in yellow here? Those are highlighted because they are Mahapranas. They require a bit more effort while chanting. So, for example, Tava Charana Pankeruha Bhavam Kathamapi Sahasrena Shirasam Harasankshubhyainam Bhajati Bhasito Dhula Navidhim. So, those are the Mahapranas. I hope that's clear. And there was another question, whether it's okay to join from today. Absolutely fine. Definitely, Bhagini, you'll be able to learn it even from today. Okay. Suvarna Sudagoni Bhagini.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Please chant the third verse.
Avidyanamantastimiramihiraddvipanagari Jadanam chaitanyastabakamakandasritichari Daridranam chintamani gunanika janma jaladhau Nimagnanam damshra muraripuvarahasya bhavati.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
Jayanti Ramesh. Jayanti Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Twadanyaf panibhyam abhayavarado daivataganaha swameka naivasi prakatita varabhityabhinaya bhayatratum datum phalamapi cha vanchasamadhikam शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ.
Uttamam, Atyuttamam. Very well recited, Bhagini. Can you please repeat the second line?
Tvameka naivasi prakatita varabhityabhinaya.
Yes, here it is naivasi, hrasva. I could hear it as naivasi, so just try to avoid that.
Okay.
Please
Yes.
chant it again.
Yes, Bhagini. Thank you.
Okay. Dhanyavada. Chandrika Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Fifth verse, please.
Okay. Haristvamadhya pranata jana saubhagya janani puranari bhutva puraripumapi kshobhamanayat smaropi tvam natva ratinayana lekhena vapusha muninamapyantaha prabhavatihi mohaya mahatam.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadah Bhagini. Well chanted.
Dhanyavada.
Next, Ujjwala. Ujjwala Mahodaya. So, Ujjwala Singhania, do you want to chant the first verse? E.H. Raji Mahodaya.
Hari Om.
Ram Ram. Hari Om. Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha.
Shiva Shaktya Yuktaha Yadi Bhavati Shaktah Prabhavitum Na Chedevam Devaha Na Khalu Kushalaspanditum Atastvamadhyam Harihara Virinchadibhirapi Pranantum Stotum Va Kathamakrita Punya Prabhavati.
Excellent, Bhagini. Dhanyavada. Mangala Bhagini.
Namaste Bhagini. Hello.
Yes. Shruti, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah. Kaniyam sampamsum tava charana pankeruha bhavam virinchis sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vagatyenam shaurihi katamavisahasrena sirasam harasam shubhyainam Bhajati basito tulanavitim.
Astu, dhanyawadaha. I couldn't hear the Mahapranas in the last line especially. So please pay attention to that.
You want me to repeat?
Yes, please do.
Harasam shubhyainam bhajati basito dulana vitim.
Okay. Dhanyawadaha, Bhagini. Yeah, please practice so that it becomes more clear. Vaibhavi, Kamakshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ram, Ram, Ram. Do you want to chant the third one?
First one.
First one. Okay.
Shakya yuktaha yadi bhavati shakta prabhavitum na chedevam devaha na khalu kushala panditumapi atastvamaradhyam harihara virinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathama krita punya prabhavati.
Okay, good. Good try. Will you carefully look at it and try to chant it again, the full shloka?
Yes. Shivashaktya yuktaha yadi bhavati shakta prabhavitum na chedevam devaha na khalu kushalas panditumapi atastvamaradhyam harihara virinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punya prabhavati.
Uttam. You've grasped the tune as well as the Mahapranas and Ditwas very nicely. Uttam.
Thank you.
Uma Bhagini.
Namaste.
Namaste. Do you want to try the second verse? Taniyam Sampamsum.
I will start with first. Today is my first day I'm chanting.
Oh, okay. No problem.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you. Namaste. Shivashakya yukto yadi bhavati shaktah prabhavitum na chedevam devo na khalu kushalas panditumapi atastvamaradhyam harihara virinchadibhirapi pranantum stotum va kathamakrita punya prabhavati.
Uttam Bhagini, very nice and very happy to hear this raga. We are just following the easier one in class. And one thing to note is if you're giving a pause after yuktaha, please chant the visarga. In case it is yukto or devo, try to chant it together. Shivashakya yadi bhavati. Yeah.
Got it. Okay, will do. Thank you. I'm used to listening to this, so this was easier for me than learning the new raga. That's right.
Yes. Anytime. The raga is, anything is fine.
Okay. Dhanyawada.
Vidya Lakshmi Bhagini.
Hello.
Yes. The second verse.
Taniyam sampamsum tava charana pankeruhabhavam virinchin sanchinvan virachayati lokana vikalam vahatyenam shaurihi katamapi sahasrena shirasam harasam shubhyainam bhajati basidodhulana vidim.
Uttamam. Just pay attention to the Mahapranas wherever it's highlighted here. The rest of it is great. Yeah.
Sure. Dhanyawadaha.
Annapurna Bhagini.
राम 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 भगिनी.
हाँ, राम राम राम. अविद्यानाम्.
अविद्यानामन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी जडानां अविद्यानामन्तस्तिमिरमिहिरद्वीपनगरी जडानां चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दश्रुतिझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति.
Wonderful. Uttamam Bhagini, can you just repeat the second line? Jadanam
चैतन्यस्तबकमकरन्दश्रुतिझरी.
Okay, one thing to note here, it is Sruti. Makaranda Sruti Jhari, not Shruti. Shruti refers to Vedas. So the meaning would also refer. So it is Sruti Jhari. Can you please chant it again?
Okay. Avidyanamantastimira미hiradvipanagari jadanam chaitanyastabakamakarandasrutiझरी दरिद्राणां चिन्तामणिगुणनिका जन्मजलधौ निमग्नानां दंष्ट्रा मुररिपुवराहस्य भवति.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. It was a pleasure listening.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. I didn't follow your tune. Is it okay, madam?
Not at all a problem. As far as the pronunciation, the Mahapranas, Ditvas are correct, you can follow any tune.
In my childhood, I learned this tune.
Okay, that's beautiful, wonderful. Very happy that you learned it in your childhood itself. So let's all encourage.
But that time we don't know this type of pronunciation. They told simply like that. Now I am learning the correct pronunciation. Thank you. Dhanyawada.
Dhanyawada. Arun, do you want to chant this?
Mahoday. त्वदन्यः पाणिभ्याम् अभयवरदो दैवतगणः त्वमेकानैवासि प्रकटितवराभीत्यभिनया भयात्रातुं दातुं फलमपि च वाञ्छासमधिकं शरण्ये लोकानां तव हि चरणावेव निपुणौ.
उत्तमम्.
धन्यवाद.
Yes. Shyamala Bhagini. Shyamala Kumar Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. Please chant. Haristva Maharadya.
Haristva Maharadya Pranata Jana Saubhagya Janani पुरानारी भूत्वा मुररिपुमभिक्षोभमनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वां नत्वा रदिनयनलोकेन वपुषा मुनीनामभ्यन्दः प्रभवदिः मोहाय मकथाम्.
Very good. Can you please repeat the third line?
स्मरोऽपि त्वां नत्वा रदिनयनलेख्येन वपुषा.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Well chanted.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
Yes. So I see a few questions here. Okay, we have one last chanting of the same shloka today, and after this we'll stop. Inda Bhagini.
हरित्वा माराध्य प्रणतजन सौभाग्य जननीं पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभयमनयत् स्मरोऽभित्वां नत्वा रथिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनाम् अप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्.
A very good try, Bhagini. Uttamam. So it is in the first line, Haristvamaradhya. The sakara wasn't clear. And in the next few lines, please pay attention to the Mahapranas as well as the Dvitvas and try to be more clear.
You want me to chant again?
Yeah, please do.
Haristvamaradhya प्रणतजन सौभाग्य जननीं पुरानारी भूत्वा पुररिपुमपि क्षोभवनयत् स्मरोऽपि त्वान्नत्वा रतिनयनलेह्येन वपुषा मुनीनाम् अप्यन्तः प्रभवति हि मोहाय महताम्.
Uttamam. This is beautiful. Fantastic. Dhanyawadaha, Bhagini. Another consistent question that I see here is about the meanings. So somebody says they couldn't find the content on the website. There are separate courses, both in English and Kannada, for the meaning of Saundarya Lahari. So you can find it on sanskritfromhome.org. And yes, since we're running out of time today, we'll conclude here. We'll definitely have more chances and more classes for revision. And I'm sure that all of you will get a chance to recite in front of our teacher itself. So we'll do it in the subsequent classes. We'll conclude the class today with the Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Sarve santu niramayaha. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Dhanyavadaha. Deepavali Parvanaha Hardaha Shubhashayaha. Thank you very much and wish you all a very happy and safe Deepavali. We will have class the next Sunday. And if you have any doubts or questions, please email us at sanskritfromhome@vyomalabs.in. And see you at the same time next week. That is 5 p.m. IST. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha. Ram Ram.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.